Jai Sriman Narayana. 23rd sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tam vidyat dukkha sanyoga viyogam yoga samgnitam sanishchayena yoktavyaha yogaha anirvinna चेतसा Om. Every day perform meditation upon yourself, that is Atma Dhyanam. Do your meditation with full trust and faith, free from all doubts, and with the mind happy and content. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do Atma Dhyanam every day with full trust and faith and with the mind happy and content. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano viraha katara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Vasudeva gave birth to Bhuta, Subhadra, Bhadrabahu, Durmada, Bhadra like this through Pauravi. And Nanda, Upananda, Krutaka, Sura, those sons were born to Madira. And Bhadra gave birth to Kesi. Then Vasudeva's other wife Dhrutadeva. Through her he gave birth to one son Viprushta. Other wife Shantideva. They gave birth to Prasama, Prasita. One other wife is Upadeva. Through her Vasudeva gave birth to Rajanya, Kalpa, Varsha. And other wife Srideva. Through her he gave birth to Vasu, Hamsa, Suvamsa. And then Vasudeva gave birth to 9 sons through Devarakshita. And through Sahadeva 8 sons are born. And through Devaki Vasudeva gave birth to 8 sons. They are Kirtimana, Sushena, Bhadrasena, Ruju, Sammardana, Bhadra, and Sakshat Adisesha Avataram Sankarshana, and then Ashtamastu Tayorasit Swayameva Harikila. 8th son is Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. And Vasudeva's daughter is Subhadra. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 23rd sloka. Tam vidya dukkha sanyoga Viyogam yoga samgitam Sanischayena yoktavyaha Yogo nirvinna chetasa. Tam vidya dukkha sanyoga viyogam yoga samgitam Sanischayena yoktavyaha Yogo nirvinna chetasa. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.